In a world that rushes endlessly, nature whispers a softer truth, that peace is not found in noise, but in silence. When you slow down, you begin to notice the rhythm of life, the wind moving through the leaves, the water reflecting the light, the air filled with the sound of stillness. Every breath you take is a reminder you are alive, and life itself is a gift. Look around you. Nothing in nature hurries, yet everything unfolds beautifully. The trees stand tall with patience, the rivers flow without fear. The birds trust that every morning will bring a new sky to fly in. Maybe peace was never lost. We just stopped listening. Close your eyes for a moment. Feel the earth breathe beneath your feet. Hear the whisper of creation. See how everything exists in perfect harmony. Peace isn't something you chase. It's something you allow. It lives quietly within you, waiting for you to return. Let go of your thoughts. Let go of your worries and simply be here, in this moment, with this breath, with this silence. Because this isn't just nature. This is healing. This is where your soul remembers its home. This is soul serenity.